If you're a car enthusiast looking for a stylish yet practical ride that blends elegance with performance, the 2025 Opel Insignia is sure to catch your attention. This all-new model takes Opel's iconic sedan to the next level with a refined design, upgraded features, and improved efficiency. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Opel Insignia stand out from the crowd. Starting with the design, the 2025 Insignia embraces a sleek, modern look that reflects Opel's evolving design language. The front grille now features a sharper, more defined shape with a signature Opel visor design, giving it a futuristic yet bold presence on the road. The LED headlights are slimmer and more aggressive, while the sculpted hood adds a muscular touch. The streamlined body features flowing lines that enhance aerodynamics, improving both performance and fuel efficiency. Moving to the rear, the Insignia's taillights have been redesigned with a distinctive light signature that emphasizes its premium feel. The overall profile is lower and sportier, giving the car a more dynamic stance. Opel has also introduced new alloy wheel designs and fresh color options, ensuring the Insignia turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's all about comfort, technology, and quality. The 2025 Insignia now features a fully digital cockpit with a high-resolution 12-inch driver display and a larger 10-inch infotainment touchscreen. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity seamless. Opel has also integrated an improved voice assistant, allowing drivers to control navigation, climate, and entertainment without taking their hands off the wheel. The interior materials have received an upgrade too. Soft touch surfaces, premium leather options, and a redesigned dashboard layout create an upscale ambiance. The seats are ergonomically designed with enhanced lumbar support, ensuring comfort on long journeys. Rear passengers will also enjoy generous legroom, making the Insignia a practical choice for families and business users alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Opel Insignia offers multiple powertrain options to suit different driving preferences. The base model comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine, delivering a solid balance of power and efficiency. For those seeking more performance, there's a 2.0-liter turbo engine that produces impressive horsepower and torque, ensuring swift acceleration and confident overtaking on highways. Opel has also introduced a plug-in hybrid variant, combining a powerful electric motor with a petrol engine to deliver impressive fuel economy and reduced emissions. This hybrid option provides an all-electric driving range ideal for city commutes. In terms of driving dynamics, Opel has fine-tuned the Insignia's suspension system to strike a perfect balance between comfort and agility. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating tight city streets, the Insignia offers a composed and stable ride. The precise steering and improved chassis further enhance handling, giving drivers more confidence behind the wheel. Opel has also prioritized safety in the 2025 Insignia. The car comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work together to provide enhanced protection for both the driver and passengers. When it comes to practicality, the Insignia continues to impress. The spacious trunk offers ample room for luggage, making it an ideal choice for road trips or family getaways. The rear seats can be folded down to expand cargo space further, ensuring you have flexibility for larger items. Fuel efficiency has also been improved, especially with the hybrid variant, allowing drivers to save on running costs while reducing their environmental impact. Opel's engineering ensures that even the petrol engines deliver respectable mileage figures, making the Insignia a smart choice for those seeking both performance and efficiency. Overall, the 2025 Opel Insignia combines sharp design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, all wrapped in a practical package. Whether you're drawn to its striking exterior, its refined interior, or its well-balanced driving experience, the new Insignia proves to be a strong contender in the midsize sedan segment. If you're looking for a car that offers style, comfort, and innovative features without compromising on performance, the 2025 Opel Insignia should be on your radar. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and reviews right here on Branded Cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest automotive trends and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.